This is the new place, boys. Finally have an upstairs. We moved upstairs from a basement, which is just an unreal thing. Look at this. You can't not be stoked about this. Literally, there's nothing in here, dude. It's just a blank canvas for us to work with. Me and Brad and Cass and Courtney all moved in together, so now we have roommates. We actually have a bigger house than we used to. I think we're finally done. The last couple years we have moved a lot. We have spent a lot of time in a lot of different places, and something I told you guys was I want to stop moving so much and find a place to call ours, be able to put our touch on it and not be paying other people's mortgages, and just genuinely like have a place that just feels like home. And I told you guys when we moved to Ontario, we moved here with one thing in mind, and that was to find ourselves a home. And obviously the reason you guys are here is because we found it. Thank you guys, because you guys helped to make this possible, and it was a big goal of mine to get a house like when I was young. You know what I mean?
25.
My goal was to get it before I was 23. I missed the benchmark by like a couple weeks. All right, we bought the house 3 weeks after my birthday. 3 weeks late. Highlight feature of this entire house. The house is nice. It's actually like deceivingly big.
Yeah. But
the location of this home is like the key thing to me. Like across the street, we literally just have hundreds of acres of forest. At the other end of the street, we literally have, is it the biggest?
Look at it big.
It's Georgian Bay, man. It's big. It's huge. It's huge. And on top of that, this spot is the quietest place we have ever lived, literally ever. Just listen. Are you kidding me? The one time I do this and some guy cuts a piece of wood. Alright, we're gonna try again. Ready? Just listen. It's stupid quiet. It's an ideal spot.
All the play that we wanted without having to pay for the play.
Exactly. Like we can still play in the water, we can play in the forest.
Yeah.
We can play anywhere we want.
We just don't
and we didn't have to pay for the land. Anyways, let's go inside the house. Let me show you guys around. I asked Courtney what some highlight features of the house were, and she wanted me to show you her wreath. So I hope you guys like the wreath. Also, we've only lived in this house for a couple days. We have half unpacked, so ignore that. Try to enjoy the house as you see it. This is gonna be like a nice little living room area. You walk immediately into it. And then over here we have the only thing that is done so far, which is our kitchen. It's like a decent size. This house is pretty new. It's like 13 years old. We're the second owners of it, so like everything is like just lightly used. First day here, we ran the dishwasher and the dishwasher flooded the whole kitchen. I don't know what kind of kitchen light this is. This is a one bulb. The lighting in the house sucks. You're gonna notice a lot of like light bulbs are out and a lot of like light fixtures have like mixed bulbs in it. It's terrible. We're gonna fix it. This is our depressing little table from our first basement apartment that is now absolutely tiny in this house. So we need like a bigger table, and then we're just gonna put like upstairs, we're not gonna make this like a TV room, we're gonna just make this like a hangout spot. So it's gonna be like a couple couches, a table, just like that room at your grandparents' house that you hate and it just doesn't get used is literally what we're doing here.
But we'll use it.
But we're gonna use it. We have like, you'll see. Coming down our now differently lit hallway, we have a bathroom. I don't know how special is bathrooms? Like, it's a bathroom, it's got a shower. One of the rooms that I have lightly set up so far is gonna be my office. Everything in this house is like yellow. All the walls are like, everywhere is yellow, and it needs to go so bad. This house has 5 bedrooms. We don't need 5 bedrooms, so this is gonna be my office. I have some like cool ideas. I wanna paint all the walls and like put some like mood lighting. It's got 2 closets. I kinda wanna just like deck these out in shelves and have like full camera storage, nicely organized inside the closet. Also haven't unboxed any of my Hot Wheels yet. I don't even know what box they're in. We picked up an S2K. I haven't found one of these yet. This is the first time I ever found an S2K. Now that we have a house again and we go grocery shopping again, I'm back on the Hot Wheels grind. Now this massive doorway leads to our bedroom. This is kind of cool. It makes it feel like really big, really open. I don't know. It's a nice size, right? We got a closet over here. Highlight feature of the bedroom. You guys come over here, you're gonna be like, yo, Robbie, you probably got a sick bathroom. Well, let me show you our laundry room. Oh, I turned on the fan. I don't know why. I don't know how to use anything yet. This is a laundry room. It makes no sense. One of the first things we want to do is we want to turn this back into a bathroom. The old people that lived here before us obviously didn't want to go downstairs to do the laundry, so they put it up here. We keep this door closed for now. The Guinness World Records are coming because we have the world's smallest linen closet. And then this is gonna be like the one light bulb spare bedroom. Anyways, downstairs. Sticking with the theme of like everything in this house is really bright, big windows. This door is glass. It lets all that light into the basement. Everybody that's come over here so far says they absolutely love the basement. The basement is like a runway, dude. Like this is like the perfect mini stick basement. Like look how big this is. We're gonna have to have mini stick tournaments here because we have to. We have another bedroom. We're gonna turn this into like a merch room. We're gonna do all our merch and stuff here. It used to be this guy's gun room. The guy lived here before us. This is like an outside door. He's got 2 locks on it. He's got bars on the windows. We literally found like firearm registrations here, which obviously he probably needs.
Actually, I believe, didn't we buy the house
without seeing this room?
Yeah,
we bought it because he wasn't here when we viewed it, and he wouldn't open this door for a viewing. We had to come here privately with him to see this room, but it was rad. He had hundreds of like collectible one of whatever guns. We got,
that door sticks sometimes.
We got Harry Potter's bedroom. Something that I've been super stoked about, dude. Like this is, this is one of the best parts of this house, man. It's got a downstairs bathroom. Who does not love a downstairs bathroom? But I love that this place has a bathroom. And it's got a full shower, which is cool, so you can shower and stuff. When we viewed the house, this room had like a doll, like a creepy little doll. So like I don't really like this room. I opened it and there was a doll there, and I closed the door and I was out of here.
Again, another room. We bought the house without really looking.
Yeah, so we're gonna probably move our washing machine and stuff down here. They left us a deep freeze, which is swag. Over here, you can see the sadness that is our current little TV room. We don't even have a TV stand anymore. I think we left ours in BC.
Yep.
Right now the basement's really narrow, so like it's super long to get from here to there. Perfect for mini sticks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take yet again another bedroom, which is actually pretty big. It's a decent size. It's got a closet, and this one we're gonna demo. Just literally just knock this down, knock that closet down, and just open it all up.
Like an L.
Like an L. And then this can be kind of like the entertainment area. Make it just like more comfortable, more open feeling. And then I don't know what's gonna go on over there because this is a pretty big basement. So that's inside the house. The house is like, it doesn't look as big when you're outside of it. Gives us a lot of room to like grow and hopefully be here for more than 1 year. So on to the stuff I know you guys are gonna be just super amped about. Another thing that is deceivingly small but actually pretty big is the front garage. Ignore the disaster inside of here. I actually might be able to show you guys the space better with this door down. Garage is like a 2-car garage almost. Like you could get 2 cars in here side by side, it would be tight. It has a loft, but the main thing about the house garage that I got really excited about when we came to see it was there's nothing above it. They didn't build bedrooms or anything up there. It's got a huge ceiling. The reason everything is in this garage is because we want to do the garage floors, we want to like epoxy them. I'm gonna put everything here on the loft, do the floors, and then rip out the loft, which means we can put a lift in here and use this space as, I don't know if I'm gonna use it as like a workspace. That kind of stuff is just gonna like, I guess, come in time as we do it. This space needs a lot of work, but I think it's gonna be really cool once it's all done. So you wanna just go around? Let's just go around the house. Like I told you guys, everything is yellow. Backside of this house, the deck is yellow, but we got 2 of them, which is kind of cool. So we can have like a barbecue and just like, not much else up here. And then down here, we can fully set up like all our patio chairs and furniture and stuff. We also have the shed. I don't know how you're like, I don't know how you're supposed to use this. Literally couldn't even ride a lawn tractor in here. I think he drove his lawn tractor into the side of this thing like 5,000 times. I think the shed's just gotta go. This is the part that I know you guys have all been waiting for, and I know you guys are gonna be the most stoked about. We got another shop, boys. Probably looks tiny on camera. And obviously, like, we need to do something about the ground. I don't know if I'm gonna pave it because we might eventually extend this. So I don't wanna necessarily pay to pave it and then pay to put a concrete pad there afterwards. So we might just like gravel this or something. We've literally lived here for like 3 days. The old guy left us some beautiful signage. The old guy was also a dad. Check it out. So this needs lights.
Oh, yeah.
So obviously, immediate highlight feature, this place already has a lift, which is super rad. So we have a lift in the back shop, which means I can put my lift in the front shop. Yeah, it's literally like what we had before we got the warehouse. The difference is now I own it, so I can do what I want. Every single thing you guys see in here, except those ramps and my quad, was left here. Jerry cans, shelves, cleaning products, anything that you guys see. He left all of it. Some of it's kind of useful. It's got a cool heater. He housed this in, I think, just to make it a little bit quieter. Dude, we got a compressor. So now we have 2 full-size compressors, 2 lifts, and a heater that doesn't work, so we're gonna need a new heater. We want to do the floors in here also, do like a nice epoxy on the floors, paint the walls, paint the ceiling. I'm gonna rip down all of its shelves. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff that needs to get done, a lot of work needs to go into this. We're gonna be super busy getting this place like ready to be like what we want it to. It's kind of dope. I kind of like how there's like trees everywhere within whatever, nature, whatever, however you want to say that. And there's also a second driveway, which is super hype. 2 driveways, boys. This is our new house. And like I said, it's just super quiet and it's ours, which is like the real cool part. And aside from like all the shop stuff and like car stuff that I know you guys are hyped about, we're just in a really cool spot. Like I can literally get on the ATV, go riding in the forest directly across the street. Next spring, me and Chris are gonna buy a boat. We can literally go to the end of our road and put the boat in the water and go boating.
Thumbs up for boat videos.
Like I said, lots to do, especially in here, because you guys know this is where we're gonna be filming most of the videos. There's a lot of work that needs to get done. I hope you guys are excited to like tag along and watch this garage transformation, because it's gonna be wild. It's gonna happen hopefully pretty quickly. As soon as we can get these floors done is the key thing. I wanna get these floors done, and then after that, it's just go time. Like I said, thank you guys for always watching and supporting and helping us to make this possible. I gotta go finish unpacking and getting some stuff ready so that we can start working on some cars and getting some more videos for you guys. So that's all I got for you guys. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.
A lot of the rooms here, we kind of just want to...
Well, you gotta tell me if you're gonna do that. I'm over here picking my nose.